Hello everyone, this is Alexey. With all the buzz going on around the CHIPS Act in the US and similar initiatives in Europe, Korea, Japan, I wonder how much of the announced amount will reach the industry after all. My optimism hopes to see all promises kept for the sake of the future of semiconductor industry. But my inner realist tells me, when it comes to money like this, you should divide it by what we will see in the next decade or maybe earlier. Fingers crossed to see good outcome and not bad excuses. And now let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Henkel and Chip Integration Technology Center (CITC) announced that the organizations have formalized an agreement to collaborate on the development of high thermal die-attach solutions for radio frequency and power electronics. Under the terms of the partnership, Henkel will supply pressureless sinter and die-attach formulations, and CITC will provide testing and analysis of the materials within next-generation package designs. CITC's thermal high-performance packaging program focuses on thermal-mechanical design strategies in device packaging platforms that integrate low-stress, high-reliability interconnect solutions. As die-attach and molded materials are often limiting factors for the optimal operation of radio frequency and power packages, Henkel is the ideal partner for innovation in this application area. In addition to ongoing work in its state-of-the-art R&D centers, Henkel aims to accelerate time to market for its semiconductor packaging materials through strategic relationships across industry, government, and academia. CITC, which collaborates with leading power and radio frequency device packaging companies, provides a unique opportunity to characterize and analyze Henkel's high thermal die-attach formulations as an enabler for leading-edge device designs. Alpha Powertrain opts for the most future-proof chip technologies and develops new multi-level power electronics with Vishay technologies, gallium nitride chip technology, D3 GaN, direct drive D-mode capable of meeting the needs of modern drivetrains and breaking efficiency barriers. The new solution's efficiency and power density exceeds silicon-based technology's capabilities. The test proved successful. The new 3-level gallium nitride inverter proves its strong capabilities on a test bench, confirming significantly better switching speed and smaller and lighter package size, reducing total system cost. Gallium nitride semiconductors are key to efficiency improvements, increasing the driving range of electrified vehicles. Alpha Powertrain and Vishay technologies aim to develop gallium nitride-based power inverters for electric vehicles, achieving the breakthrough of gallium nitride technology for 800-volt battery systems in the automotive industry. ONSEMI celebrated the inauguration of its silicon carbide facility in Hudson, New Hampshire, with a ribbon-cutting ceremony. The site will increase the company's silicon carbide boot production capacity by 5 times year-over-year and almost quadruple the number of its employees in Hudson by the end of 2022. The expansion gives ONSEMI full control of its silicon carbide manufacturing supply chain, starting with the sourcing of silicon carbide powder and graphite raw material to the delivery of fully packaged silicon carbide devices. This allows ONSEMI to provide its customers with the assurance of supply required to meet a rapidly growing demand for silicon carbide-based solutions. Vishay Technology announced that the company's facility in Borgaro Torinese has received a research result R&D grant for its Watt for Fret project from the European Union and the regional government of Piedmont. The project will focus on the development of a new high-voltage fast recovery epitaxial diodes family featuring advanced technologies for the automotive market, in addition to industrial applications such as white goods, motor drives, and air conditioning. For Vishay and its project partners, the aim of the Watt for Fret project is to study and develop advanced technological processes to generate a new device family capable of supporting the latest market requirements in terms of efficiency, cost, and power consumption, while maintaining compliance with the latest environmental policies. US President signed the CHIPS and Science Act, and in almost year-long saga spent $52 billion to attract chip manufacturing back to the United States. Surrounded by members of Congress from both parties and representatives from the chip-making industry, Biden called the act a once-in-a-generation investment in America itself that would bring jobs back to the United States and lower costs for consumers. Biden also shared news that Micron Technology, which manufactures memory chips, will invest $40 billion over 10 years in US-based manufacturing. The company said the investment would create 40,000 jobs. But Idaho-based Micron Technology delivered a far more somber message in the regulatory filing that same day, warning investors that its fourth quarter sales would come in at the low end, if not below previous forecasts. The European Union Power Semiconductor Executive Summit is scheduled for September 19 to 20 in Munich. The focus of the European Union Power Semiconductor Executive Summit is to support how the power semiconductor, silicon carbide and gallium nitride ecosystem will enable efficiency and provide solutions to challenges in modern power devices, covering applications in EV and powertrain development, fast charging, renewables and data centers. Government and industry are pushing for a sustainable and carbon-neutral future, and European Union Power Semiconductor Executive Summit, through semiconductor device manufacturers, equipment and material suppliers, Tier 1 suppliers, and research institutes will help to accelerate this. International Semiconductor Executive Summits remains regarded as exclusive and intimate forum for high-level executives in the semiconductor and power electronics industry who are shifting the technology landscape and promoting collaboration in a trusted network. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in LinkedIn. Keep in touch.